Hello everybody. Well, it's been a while. Like always, I've been taking my sweet time to get any videos out. Been busy doing things in life, you know how it goes. Well, today I wanted to do an unboxing and another presentation of another air gun that you may have never heard of, maybe never seen. They're not really posted, so here it is, everybody. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these. It's not like rare or obscure or anything like that. It's an Artemis Snowpeak. You know I'm a fan of those, or that brand, however you want to look at it. And this one is the Snowpeak T-Rex 22 caliber PCP regulated bullpup. And it is pretty damn sweet. Super light. It weighs 5.4 pounds without a scope or the bipod. Super light, super light. The cocking is, sublime. Sublime. The trigger, a little long, a little spongy. Trigger snobs probably will want to tinker with it. But it's shrouded, baffled, all metal, total polymer construction. I'll do a whole nother video on this. This is just pretty much showing it to you. It's got 250 bar fill. It's pretty cool. Here's the magazine. It's kind of different. You open this window all the way up, rotate that wheel around, put in a pellet, and then fill it all in. And then close the door. The door can go any direction, any direction, and close and lock. It's plastic with a metal wheel inside. Holds 10 shots. Pretty good, pretty good. I like it. But we'll do a whole nother video on this. But I'm gonna let you know, it's good. It's a shooter. It's so light and such a good shooter. Look forward to seeing that video in the future. But we're also gonna do a little unboxing. You know, whoa, looks like something fell off the shelf over here. Well, we'll deal with that later. Well, but let's do this unboxing. This is the knife of the choice today. If you like fidget spinner knives, this is one. This is a snap lock, and it's a, yeah, ready? You seen that happen, didn't you? Whoa, what was there? Yeah. Whoa. It's a little slower. This is for you, Nibs. I know you're a knife guy. Alright, let's get this box. Trying to cut myself, because this knife is very sharp. Fold open. Cooperate. You don't need to see that paperwork. There we go. Well, everybody, if you know Snowpeak, know Artemis, they make a lot of guns. They make a lot of guns for a lot of people. These guns have been sold as a Remington in Europe. Remington T-Rex. In America and other places in the world, they're just called the T-Rex. I don't know why they call it the T-Rex, but they call it the T-Rex. And they make two of them, a bullpup and a rifle. They make it in multiple calibers. As you can see it here, you can get it in all these. Let's open it up. See what it's all about. I'm guessing it's a lot like a Stoeger Stoeger XM1 or it's a lot like the Snowpeak M series ones. They call them a lot of different names, a lot of different things, styles, little changes throughout different models and years. But this is the one I got, and it is they just call it the T-Rex again. This is the rifle version. Pick rail, moderated, triangle moderator, different. Open sights, fiber optic. Bolt action, yep. Single shot tray. Adjustable cheek. Rubber butt pad. Feels like a metal trigger. Cylinder's pretty thick, pretty girthy feeling for a cylinder. Let's see if it has any air in it. It does. It does have air. A little over 200 bar. So let's take a shot with it. Let's just see. Take the safety off. Well, it's kind of loud, a little loud with no pellet, but let's see how it is when we shoot it with a pellet. But this is the Snowpeak T-Rex / Artemis. Some countries called the Remington. But I wanted to do the video, show you guys this. Look forward to seeing it in the future. There you go, everybody. That's it. I'm going to put more air in it, throw a scope on it, and probably maybe clean the barrel. Don't forget about this one, the bullpup. I like it. It is awesome. I like a lot of Snowpeak guns. They make good stuff. Probably why they make guns for other people. And just get rebadged. Well, there you go, everybody. The Snowpeak T-Rex. Look forward to some more videos coming up. Shoot straight.